Now, the back and forth between who will pay the legal fees in the Crawford County Library lawsuit finally settled tonight. Crawford County was ordered to pay $112,000 in legal fees stemming from a 2023 lawsuit filed by some parents after LGBTQ books meant for children were moved to the adult section. Well, tonight, the County Quorum Court voted to not help the library board with that $112,000 bill. 5 News reporter Lauren Spencer has been following this closely. She's reaction now from tonight's specially called meeting.
Motion passes.
Last week, the Crawford County Library Board voted to pay the over $112,000 amount, but some were hoping the county would extend an olive branch and offer to pay about $40,000. Eli Clarity has been following the issue closely since the beginning.
One group's civil liberties being targeted makes all of our civil liberties vulnerable.
He says he believes the county should have paid some of this amount.
It was the JP's inability to step in and say, this is wrong. This is not under the purview of our duties to get into a political fight with the library system. At every step of the way, they either passed the buck of responsibility or they doubled down on their extremism.
The Quorum Court decided to not help foot the bill, with all of that coming from the library's budget.
During this lawsuit, the county out-of-county general has paid 70% of these attorney fees, so the Quorum Court didn't feel it was too much to ask the library to pay for the other 30%.
Clarity says he's worried about how the library system will operate without this money.
This is going to gut the libraries. They do not have the money to assume this full judgment. They will be out of the money by the end of the year if they do this.
County Judge Chris Keith says he doesn't believe that will be an issue.
I don't see where it's going to have to make them stop any type of movement or working conditions. Looking at the monies, 90% of it is budgeted at the first of the year, 10% is reserved. That's not even in the equation. And then they budget a portion of it, and then there's unappropriated still left. So that is where the money is coming from.
In Crawford County, covering news where you live, Lauren Spencer, 5 News.